Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you guys how to set up your chart for scalping on the 5-minute chart for some easy profits. This works best for those who like to trade options, crypto, and forex pairs. Let's get started, everybody. Now, to get started, I would recommend you guys actually open up a new layout. That way you guys can stay organized. I would name it something very simple like 5-minute scalps, whatever you guys are looking for here. If you guys are just having a scalping layout, that's probably what you guys are going to be looking for. Hit save, and I want you guys to hide or remove the volume. I'm going to remove the volume because I don't use it for this particular strategy. Afterwards, we're going to go over here to indicators, metrics, and strategies, and we're going to be entering in our first indicator. This is going to be the linear regression candles. And right here, it's going to be the only one that pops up under community scripts, linear regression candles by UGURVU. I want you guys to add a gold star to this if you feel like you may be using it quite a bit, all right? And then you guys are going to click on this one time. You're going to see a bunch of new candles just opened up. So if I hide the original Apple chart and just have the linear candles, it's going to look like that, okay? You guys from now on can hide this if you want to, or you can leave both on till the very end. For now, I'm going to leave both on till the very end, okay? Then I'm going to go over here to settings, and I want to change some stuff up here. For the signal smoothing, I want this to be set to 7. And for the linear regression length, I want to keep this at 11. Afterwards, I want you guys to go over here to style and change only one thing on here. The plot. Go from a very thin line to a thicker line. I usually go with the 3rd thickness, but you guys can also go with the 4th thickness if you guys would like as well, okay? Now, after that, hit OK, and you're done with the first step. Now, the next indicator you guys are going to be adding is the UT bot alerts. It's going to be right here, UT bot alerts by Quant Nomad. I want you guys to click on this once. And then from here, we also have to go into the settings and change a few things. As far as style is concerned, don't worry about a thing here. Everything is perfect. For the key value, I want you guys to put this as level 2. For the ATR period, I want you guys to put this as 1. Then I want you guys to hit OK. And then we only have one more indicator after that, and that's going to be the super trend indicator. Search super trend, all one word. If you guys split the word, it's not going to show up properly. So make sure you guys have only one word there. Hit this once under community scripts by Kevon once. After this, I want you guys to go over here to the super trend settings, and I want you guys to change 2 things here. The ATR period, I want you guys to turn this to 50. The source, leave it as is. And the ATR multiplier, I want you guys to hit 5.1 for that one and hit OK. After you've done all that, I want you guys to hide these indicators like that. And then from here, I want you guys to go up to whatever ticker you guys have chosen, and I want you guys to hide it. That way, all you're left with is the linear regression candles. So there are a few ways I would actually recommend trading this. The first one is if you guys see a sell signal that's below the white line right here, I would take that and you would want to probably scalp that down until you find some level of support. Usually these levels of support are very easy to see. If you guys have a sell signal that's possibly above the line right over here and then it breaks down, you want to wait for it to break down below the white line here before you actually enter into the position, okay? Sell signal there, but you want to enter it after it actually manages to close below the white line. And then again, you want to find that next level of support and play it down there, okay? It may go down below, sure, but you guys want to play it safe. Also, you guys may see these subtle patterns like a double bottom right here. You guys can always trade those, but always make sure to get the buy signal after it comes back to retest the breakout point. That's going to be much more powerful than if you guys just buy at the bottom part here, unless you're willing to test out the theory that there is actually going to be the full double bottom breakout, okay? The other one you guys are going to be looking for is if you guys see 2 buy signals fairly close, this is a buy signal coming from the super trend. This is a buy signal coming from the actual UT alerts. If you have 2 of them close together, that's going to be a really strong buy signal right there where you guys can expect a much larger move. On the other hand, if you guys are in a selling move right here, we see the super trend is overall red. Be careful about how much you really want to trust some of these buy signals here, especially if you're looking at this one, and this one. Very small moves. You want to see a green super trend here if you guys want to get more aggressive, okay? That's why usually you're looking for both signals here to be green. That gives you much more confidence in how you guys are going to be trading this. I want you guys to back test this in a lot of different assets you guys may be looking to trade, because as you guys can see right here, you guys could have bought this. You see the sell signal right there? Wasn't looking too good. Once the buy signal turned green over here, you had a smaller move, ended up being an okay move right there. Overall, this sell signal probably would have made you much more money. So there are different ways to use this. I would say the safest one is just to use the 2 buys closest together. Other than that, you guys are going to be looking at kind of zooming out a little bit more. I have this zoomed in at 200% right now so you guys can see everything. But if I honestly keep this at a 100% level, you guys can obviously see some levels of resistance and support where you guys might be more likely to do buying and rather than selling, okay? If we start coming back down here and we have more buy zones, well, guess what? I'm going to be buying down here. If we start coming back up here and we have sell zones, you better guess what? I'm going to be selling at those points, okay, guys? Hope you guys enjoyed this short tutorial, and if you guys did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks.